Welcome everyone to DIY OS. Today we're going to cover how to get your iPhone 15 or 16 series into DFU mode even from the battery trap. Now this may help in a pinch if your iPhone is completely out of battery and you need to perform a full system restore. So the way we'll do this is with a USB-C cable and a certain button combination. So the way this is achieved is with the power button and volume down button. So what we'll do is we will plug in the cable, hold power and volume down together for 3 seconds, and then after 3 seconds release the power button and continue to hold the volume down button, and then the iPhone should appear in DFU mode. So let's do that together. So plugging in the cable, power button and volume down at the exact same time and hold for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, and now release power and keep holding until the iPhone appears in Finder in DFU mode. So there we are, within about 10 to 20 seconds the iPhone will appear in Finder and you can perform a full system restore. Now this works only in Finder or iTunes. This does not work with Apple Configurator, and as far as I'm aware only works with iPhone 15 or 16 series. I have yet to test on anything older, and as far as I know you can use any cable to do this. It can be a C to C cable or it can be a C to A cable, it doesn't matter. So hopefully that helps and you can perform your full system restore. I'll see you in the next video.